Today we're gonna make pasta e broccoli.
with broken spaghetti.
Dai! To start, we're gonna make a soffritto.
Celery, carrot e onion, Italian style.
And for an extra aroma, a little bit of rosemary.
Il rosmarino de nonna.
Now broccoli, and don't waste anything.
Even this, we can use it. Just to peel it a little bit, and we can dice this part.
It's a little bit tough, so all you have to do is to cook it for longer and chop it nice and small.
In the soffritto.
For the top part, just roughly chop it. Apparently I'm not doing a good job. I'm cutting them and it's cutting them again.
Broccoli goes in.
A nice pinch of salt.
A nice pinch of pepper. You can do pasta e broccoli in white version, but I love it with some tomatoes.
For this one, we're gonna use baby plum. And remember, do not waste any tomatoes.
Bello, bellissimo. Okay. And now the flavor bomb.
Anchovies, garlic and chili.
Use the knife to turn it into a paste.
Bellissimo. But we're missing some carbs.
Spaghetti spezzati.
When we make minestra is the only time we break spaghetti.
Season again and cook 10 minutes. Ah, yeah, che profumo. And we finish with pecorino romano.
Yes, but the ships are Sardinian. And a little drizzle of olive oil on top. With this weather, it's fantastic. È buona, oh. È buona proprio, eh? Oh mia.